Do not let people think you do not belong. Once you sit at these tables with folks with fancy titles and they got a big bank account and you talk to them and you go, oh, they ain't all that. They've been given the confidence of feeling like they belong. But if you sit down and talk to them, it turns out they just folk.
If you're confident about your strength, you don't need to show me by you putting somebody else down. Show me how strong you are that you can lift somebody else up. Anything you want to add, sir?
I've just been mentored right there. That's amazing.
I've learned to be pretty good at listening carefully to people who know a lot more than I do about a topic, making sure that any dissenting voices are in the room at the same time.
Don't rush into what the next thing is. Take a beat. Take some satisfaction looking backwards and saying, you know what? Didn't get everything done that I wanted.
Right.
Wasn't always exactly how I planned it, but there's a body of work there that I'm proud of.
Right.
You know, pat yourself on the back for a second.
And as you proceed in whatever occupation you're in, hopefully you have more and more control over how and what you do on your job. That's going to give you more satisfaction, more agency.